Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we'll show you how to install a hard drive in the NewerTech Technology Ministack released in 2012. We've already gathered our materials and are working on a soft, static-free work surface. We are now ready to begin. The first step is to flip the Ministack over. Remove the Phillips screws from the corners of the Ministack. Depending on when your Ministack was manufactured, you will likely either have 2 or 4 screws installed. Once all the screws have been removed, you can flip the Ministack back over and lift the top cover off. There will be a bag of screws taped to the inside of the Ministack, which can be removed. The center mounting hole on your hard drive lines up with this pin on the Ministack. Making sure the SATA connector is facing the outside of the enclosure, set the drive into place. Push back on the tab with the pin so that you can lay the drive flat. Then release the tab to hold the drive in place. You can now attach the power and data cables to the drive. Use the 2 large silver Phillips screws to secure the drive to these mounting tabs. Then, set the top back into place and flip the Ministack over again. Make sure the bottom is seated fully. Then take the 2 thick-headed screws from the bag and insert them into the 2 holes near the center of the Ministack to secure the drive in place. Finally, use the remaining screws to secure the 4 corners of the bottom to the cover. You can now flip your Ministack over and it's ready to attach and use.